Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to watch Billiard TV on YouTube TV. Right, so you can watch Billiard on YouTube TV, but you have to have the Sports Plus add-on to be able to do that. It's a paid add-on subscription, but you can get a 7-day free trial. Let me show you how you can get that. First, what you have to do is open up tv.youtube.com or open up the YouTube TV app on your smart TV. Then once you're signed in, you have to click on this store icon here, which will open up the networks and add-ons page. And here we have to select sports, then select NFL Red Zone with Sports Plus. So this is the add-on we have to get if we want to watch Billiard TV. And besides that, you also will have access to other sports channels, as you can see, and it's $11 per month, and you can also claim a 7-day free trial here by clicking on checkout. And once you have the free trial or the subscription, all you have to do is just click on the search icon, search for Billiard TV. Here is the network, click on that, and this will open up the Billiard TV network page where you can watch the live game or show that is currently on Billiard TV, and you can also add a favorite show to the library and watch that show later back in YouTube TV library. But all in all, this is how you can watch Billiard TV on YouTube TV.